Hello everyone, welcome back to Fusion Fashions. Today I'm back with so many beautiful collections of Biba sets. So watch till end. All the sizes are available, mixed sizes. So watch till the end and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends and relatives. So we'll start with the first video. First set. See this one beautiful dupatta, बहुत ही प्यारा सा दुपट्टा आपको दिख रहा है. जो ये कलर इज समवॉट डिफरेंट, इट इज़ नॉट completely blue, somewhat grayish color, grayish blue color. This is in pure cotton and these are all current article. You can see here two sizes are available in this. One is 36 size, another one is Biba 42 size. As you all know, Biba always will go two sizes larger than this. Okay, so if it is Biba 42 means it is like a Biba 46 bust size. People can go for this. This is very beautiful. Neckline is just wow of this. You can see the neckline. Okay, very beautiful sequence work is done at the neckline. Okay, and you can see all the things are original articles. The MRP of this set will be 5500. Okay, so and this is current article, you can see in all websites and all. And this will be the cotton dupatta with this silver color lace along with this, and this will be the bottom. Okay, this is the floral bottom, very beautiful bottom. And at the bottom you can see this silver work, and in the bottom also mull cotton lining is being provided. This is just wow piece. It is like divider. Okay, this is like divider print. You can see this is just wow print, and the color is also very eye soothing. Two sizes are available which will fits to 38 bust size, and another one 36 bust size, and another one is for 46 bust size. And the MRP is 5500 and our price will be 2200. Don't miss this one. This is from the current article. Next we will move on to next set. This is the second set. Maroon lovers can definitely go for this because you can see the beautiful kadai work at the neckline. This is just wow piece. The speciality of this kurti, this set is it is in cotton silk fabric, and the inner lining you can see it is somewhat different. It is printed lining. Okay, it is also in cotton silk fabric, and this is 4-piece set. Okay, just I am giving you a close up look of the work, how it is. See the close up look of the work, and full sleeves will be there. Okay, in this only 42 size is available for now. Only 42 size is available. MRP of this is 6500. Okay, along with this one inner slip will come. This is the slip with ghera. It is 4-piece set. See this one, the slip. It is spaghetti type slip is been given. It is in blue color, and the dupatta is in blue color. This is pure cotton dupatta, you can see. Okay, with beautiful lace here, and this will be the bottom leggings. Okay, most of the people will be asking for legging sets, so this is the best set for them. 42 biba size fits up to 46 bust size. Very beautiful set, and the MRP is 6500. Our price will be 1650. Don't miss it. Those who are plus size like 46 size, they can definitely go for this. This is another hit article in red color, complete party wear suit, and see the brocade work at the neckline. Okay, very beautiful brocade work, and with the sleeves. This is what silk material with the golden border lace. It is in Biba 34 size. Biba 34 size, and legging will come along with this, and cotton dupatta will also come. This is cotton dupatta and leggings will be there. This is also three-piece set. It is completely party wear set with inner lining and all, and you can see it is in complete umbrella kurti. This is the mull cotton lining, you can see. Okay, and this is golden border. Okay, see the border, it is broad and it is in anarkali look with complete flare and all. Flare you can see in my pics. You can follow my Instagram page by the name fashions.fusion. There I have posted the pics and video of this. You can go through that. Okay, it is completely flary anarkali party wear set. Those whoever are red lovers, don't miss this set. It is just for 30. The MRP of this is 5,000 7,500. The MRP is 7,500 and our price will be 2,200. That's all. And this is just wow piece. You cannot miss it. And it is a complete party wear set. Fits to the medium size people. Those who are medium size like 38 bust size and all, don't miss this one. Even 36 people also can buy this. 36, 38, go for this. 2,200 only. See this, another beautiful cotton kurti. Those whoever are office going people, they can prefer this one. And this is just for 2,999 MRP and our price will be 1,250 only. Dupatta is just wow, cotton dupatta with a beautiful lace. The zigzag pattern is enhancing the look of this kurti and all. And this will be the bottom. Okay, and on the sleeves and at the neckline, beautiful print is there. On the sleeves, the print you can see, it is just wow. The size available for this set is, the set of the size is 34, means 36 bust size people can go for this. 1,250 will be the MRP. Beautiful pure cotton set. Those whoever will prefer Biba cotton sets, they definitely go for this. Another two-piece set from Biba. See this set, blue color, indigo blue color with pockets here. Okay, and this is all leather print, digital print it is, and it is like denim fabric. Two-piece set it is. Inner you are getting cotton inner, and this will be like a shrug. Okay, this is the inner. You can see it is with the slits. Only one size is available for now and it is in clearance sale. Those whoever have bought it for 1450 last time, please don't mind, because this is in clearance sale and I'm giving just for 1150. Okay, and this four side open will be there and the MRP of this is 4,599. 34 bust size people can go for this. Okay, and it is in collar style. Sleeves are also there. You can see the sleeves. Okay, it is like denim fabric. You can use this two-piece set for both western wear look also, and you can mismatch with the other jeans and all, and you can wear. And this one is just for 1150 this time. 34 bust size, 36 bust size people can go for this. I'm repeating you all again. Biba will go always next size, like two size larger it will always come. 34 size is mentioned, 36 size can go for this. And another request from you all viewers, please share my video and please whoever will buy from me, please don't bargain for the prices, because already I am giving everything in the offer prices, and again bargaining is just like it is of no use. And please don't bargain again. We will go with the next set. Another beautiful cotton set in purple color with very beautiful print. See the neckline of this set with cotton, pure cotton kurti, dupatta, sorry, pure cotton dupatta and pure cotton kurti along with the plazo. This is plazo with a wonderful print. Okay, and this is the plazo. This will be just for 1250. 34 bust size people can go for this. This is another set with beautiful bottom at the lace at the bottom. This is the bottom, pure cotton bottom with the beautiful lace you can see here, and it is in plazo style. And this will be the cotton dupatta with the lace, which is matching done with the kurti. And this will be the shirt of the biba set, yellow color shirt, and it is perfect for healthy functions and all. Means like whoever will love cotton wearing and all. Half sleeves will come. On the sleeves also the very beautiful settled embroidery is given. Here you can see the embroidery also, and silver zari work is also been done. The MRP of this material is 3799, and our price will be just 1650. Only one size is available for now, 36 bust size. 34 will fits to 36 bust size. And at the side locks also you can see the beautiful lace work been done, and at the bottom also beautiful lace work will be done. And this set is just for 1650. 36 bust size people can go for this. Okay, and this is for regular wear, it is just wow piece. And this will be the next party wear set with a beautiful flare and the golden lace at the bottom. The pic of this is available on my Insta channel, you can definitely watch that channel. On that pics and videos will be available. See this complete ghera flary pink anarkali set with silk dupatta, and on the dupatta golden lace is given. And see this is the brocade brocade jacket. This is the brocade jacket, and a trouser salwar is also been provided along with this. This is silk salwar. Okay, this is the salwar. The MRP of this one is 11,500 is the MRP of this. Sorry, 10,500 will be the MRP. 34 bust size, 36 bust size people can go for this. Sorry, 34 bust size and 32 bust size people can go for this. MRP is 10,500, and our price will be 2,950 only. Another set, this is for 36 bust size dupatta and kurti set just for 1,000 rupees. And this is current article, you can see this piece in showrooms also. This will be dupatta with the lace. Okay, and the digital print you can see how beautifully done. It is in pure cotton. For regular wear and office wear you can go for this. Comes with the mask also. It comes with the mask also. 1,000 rupees only. Dupatta and kurti is available. Okay, on the sleeves also digital print is there. 36 bust size people can go for this. Another beautiful lehenga set from Biba with can and lining. This is lining and can is given, and inner lining also will come. And this is in chanderi silk fabric with the lace at the bottom. Dupatta is also there, that is dupatta with the four-sided lace. The same color blouse will also come along with this. It is in golden color, best for the festive season. You can see the blouse here, best for the festive season and all. Okay, with the beautiful this one piping. And sizes are available in this Biba 38 and Biba 36. Fits to 40 bust size and 42 bust size. Just go for this, those whoever are looking for the party wear collection. Price will be 2050 only. Okay. लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक